Calling all the ladies with the TWAs. It's your time to shine, sis. I'm Janel, Kiss Colors and Care's resident hair expert, and I'm showing you why sometimes less is more with the Sponge Twist TWA with edges. First things first, you want to start with clean, slightly damp hair to prevent friction or breakage. Next, you'll need to apply a generous amount of the Twist Curl Gel all over the head. This lightweight formula provides a soft hold that won't weigh down the hair and is enriched with organic Jamaican black castor oil to deliver moisture and shine. Ideally, you'll want to use about a quarter size amount per section to evenly saturate the hair and quench your curls' thirst. Be sure to pay special attention to the ends. Last, but certainly not least, you want to take the Twist King Dense Sponge and gently rub your hair in circular motions around your head. The new Twist King Dense was specifically designed to be suitable for short hair, smaller twists, coils, and curls. This tool is easy to clean, and the best part is it won't dry out your hair or your curls, and it won't cause breakage. The key to defined coils is to swirl the sponge in the direction of your natural curl pattern. I also like to add a little of the curl gel to the tips of my fingers and finger coil any stubborn ends. The last step is to softly swoop those edges with our award-winning Edge Fixer, and you are done. This style is quick and so easy to maintain. Visit kisscolors.com for more tips and tricks from yours truly.